Nobody talks about how difficult it is to set boundaries with your family. If your friends are toxic, you can make new friends. If you're stuck in a toxic relationship, hopefully you can move out and find somebody better. But if your family is toxic, what do? Where do you actually go? It's actually really complicated. You love them. You live with them. Maybe these are your parents. Maybe these are your siblings. How do you break ties with someone you're so close with? It's not easy. You rely on them emotionally, mentally, financially. It's a very difficult spot to be in. The people who say that, oh, just leave them, or just move out. No, bro, it's not easy. It takes a lot of strength. And if you're in this situation, I'm genuinely really sorry. You don't deserve it. But here's something important I want you to understand. Just because someone is your family does not give them unlimited access to you. It does not give them the right to exploit you, to disrespect you, to abuse you. That's just not done. So important that you set boundaries with them, because you don't deserve this. You deserve a better, a happier life. And trust me, you're the only one who can create that for yourself. The point of this video is not for me to tell you that you should cut ties with your immediate family. No. Please don't do that. But I still want you to recognize if you're in this situation. Here are a few signs that you might be dealing with a toxic family. Constant criticism. No matter what you do, you're constantly compared to the other person. They don't realize the kind of mental stress they're causing you. Number 2, emotional manipulation. If you loved us, you would do this. If you love us, you would go for this job. If you love us, you would go for this guy. They don't understand that you can have your own choice. Number 3, no respect for boundaries. No matter what you tell them, somehow they always end up getting hurt. They disrespect you for setting boundaries. Number 4, control over your life. Oh my God, they want to micromanage, whether it's your career, relationship, basically everything from the smallest to the biggest decision of your life. They want to micromanage and have the control. Number 5, you become smaller in front of them. You want to avoid any fights and arguments. If you relate to this, you're not ungrateful. You're not disrespectful. It's just that you are just more aware, and it's so important to be more aware of your situation. So let's actually talk about what actually helps. Number 1, stop trying to change people. Please, I know you love Bollywood movies, but don't follow them to the T. You cannot change grown-up men and women. They are already so rigid in their belief system. They're not gonna change, no matter how much you try. Number 2, set small boundaries. No dramatic fights, no loud arguments. Instead, set small boundaries. Tell them that you just need some space and you're gonna think about it and get back to them. Number 3, stop getting this constant approval from them. I'm not telling you to make big decisions of your life without their consent, but something as small as meeting a friend, hanging out with somebody, going out for a walk, you don't need their constant approval. Number 4, protect your energy. Not every argument deserves your energy. Sometimes just walking away is so much better than arguing and fighting for no reason. Number 5, and this is so important, if there's one thing I want you to remember from this video, it is this: build a life outside of your family, community, friends, goals, ambitions, dreams. There's so much more to your life, to a person's life besides family. Please focus on becoming financially independent, because when you have your own money, nobody can control you. You have the freedom to make your own choices. Having your own money gives you so many options. You can move out of that space. You can get your own space. You can live your life the way you want. You can go anywhere if you have money. So anybody who tells you money is not important, they're lying to you. Money is really important. I don't care if you have to be up all night, if you have to work overtime, if you have to do multiple jobs, if you have to start content creation, whatever you have to do, whatever brings you money, of course, as long as it's right, do it, because money is going to protect you. And I know that even after doing all of these things, it's not easy, especially if you see your friends having a very supportive family. You sometimes wonder, why is my family not like this, right? And I'm so sorry that you're in that situation, but you can only do what's in your control. And if you are doing these things, if you're in a better space physically, mentally, emotionally, trust me when I say this, right people will come to you. You're going to attract the right people, people that will love you, people that will respect you and trust you. And just know this, protecting yourself does not make you selfish. And I want you to do everything that you can to protect yourself, to take a stand for yourself, and to get out of the situation.